The children's battery pack wearing option combines the advantages of wearing the processor at ear level with the security of attaching the battery pack to clothing. To assemble the children's battery pack, open the OPUS 2 battery pack lock, pull out the connecting piece, and detach the battery pack from the control unit. Connect the cable of the children's battery pack to the control unit. Attach the screw-on fixation bar or the fixation clip to the children's battery pack. Insert the pins of the children's connecting piece for safety lock into the small holes at the bottom of the speech processor. Secure the assembly by attaching the safety lock. The on-off switch for the audio processor is located at the back of the children's battery pack. To insert batteries, open the battery pack by pushing the lever at the back to the side and hold it in this position. Now push the lid backwards about 3 mm, then remove it. Add fresh batteries. To close the lid, put it on the housing so that it overhangs the back of the battery pack by about 3 mm. Gently push the lid onto the housing. It can now be pushed forward and snaps into place easily. Switch on the audio processor at the back.